हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू सागर इन्फो मोड। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एक ऐसे सर्टिफिकेशन के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ जिसको कि आप लेकर अपने प्रोफेशन को प्रूफ कर सकते हो। जैसे कि मैं हर बार कहता हूँ फ्रेंड्स, सर्टिफिकेट डजंट मैटर इफ़ यू डिडंट हैव नॉलेज ऑफ दैट सर्टिफिकेट। ओके, सो आपको पहले उसका नॉलेज गेन करना होगा, तभी आप सर्टिफिकेट को रखने के योग्य होंगे। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं फ्रेंड्स। और जिन्होंने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। मैं सर्टिफिकेट से रिलेटेड, जॉब से रिलेटेड, वेबिनार से रिलेटेड वीडियोस यहाँ पर डालते रहता हूँ। तो जैसे कि यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो फ्रेंड्स, सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट गेट स्टार्टेड। तो इस वेबसाइट को आपको विजिट कर लेना है, जिसका कि लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन रिडायरेक्ट टू दिस लिंक। ओके, बस यहाँ पर आपको करना क्या है, और देखिए फ्रेंड, सर्टिफिकेशन फ्रॉम कॉर्पोरेट यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस ऑफ एक्सलेंस। यहाँ पर आपको स्क्रॉल डाउन करना होगा। यहाँ पर आपको कई सारे कोर्सेस मिल जाएंगे। देखिए फ्रेंड, जो जैसे कि मैं यहाँ पर वीडियो के स्टार्ट में कहा था कि सर्टिफिकेशन फोटोग्राफी बाय लिंगालिया ललिता देवी इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड साइंस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं इस इंस्टीट्यूट को थैंक्स कहना चाहता हूँ कि इस सर्टिफिकेट को प्रोवाइड करने के लिए, और इसे रिक्वेस्ट भी करना चाहता हूँ कि प्लीज़ आप कोई भी कॉर्पोरेट स्ट्राइक ना भेजें। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, यहाँ पर मुझे सीमर वाले बटन पर क्लिक करना है। जैसे कि यहाँ पर आप मुझे देख सकते हो कि मैं इस पेज पर रिडायरेक्ट हो चुका हूँ। ओके फ्रेंड्स, मैं यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी लॉगिन करके रखा हूँ। ओके, लॉगिन नहीं है। ओके, लॉगिन कर लेना है। और जो भी अभी तक इस वेबसाइट पर रजिस्टर नहीं किए हैं, तो यहाँ पर आपको रजिस्टर वाला बटन दिख रहा होगा, इस पर आप क्लिक करके रजिस्टर कर सकते हो। मैं यहाँ पर करता हूँ लॉगिन। ओके फ्रेंड्स, तो नाउ यहाँ पर बटन आपको हाईलाइट होकर आ चुका होगा, टेक दिस कोर्स। तो उस पर आपको यहाँ पर सिंपली क्लिक कर देना है। करना है यहाँ पर स्क्रॉल डाउन। यहाँ पर आपको असेसमेंट ऑन फोटोग्राफी बाय LLDIMS वाले बटन पर क्लिक कर देना है। Okay, so as you can see, the assessment on photography by so and so college, and the test is based on the photography, and select the correct options to answer each questions, and please refer to the maximum time allowed for each quiz time exam. Okay, so in the passing percentage is 50%, and I will try to give you up above 80%. And you just have to click onto the start button, and as you can see, the time limit is startup. Okay, for now coming to the first question, what is the name of this type of shot? तो आपको इस फोटोशूट का आपको नाम बताना होगा। तो इस फोटोशूट का नाम है एक्सट्रीम क्लोजअप शॉट। तो यहाँ पर आपको सिंपली आंसर को सेलेक्ट करके यहाँ पर आपको नेक्स्ट वाले बटन पर क्लिक कर देना है। So now coming to the second question, the opening in a photographic lens that admits light is. So for this the correct answer is aperture, and click on to the next version if you're done with the correct answer. Okay. So now ISO 100 is dash sensitive to light, then ISO 800. For this the correct answer is 3 stops more. 3 stops more, and you just have to click on to the next button. Now coming to the fourth question, the decision moment is a quiet attributed to. So for this for the fourth question the correct answer is Henry Cartier Bresson. Okay, now click on to the next button. Now, and this is an establishing sort. So for this the correct answer is true. Click on to the next. And now doubling flash power gains. So for this the correct answer is 1 stops more of light. Now coming to the seventh question, which proves to be more interesting in a photo. So for this the correct answer is break in pattern. Now click on to the next. Now coming to the eighth question, what composition rules refer to dividing the frames into three both horizontally and vertically, and then placing the subjects at the interactions of any two lines. For this the correct answer is the rule of thirds. Click on to the next. Okay, so now here we have to select three answers. Okay, the depth of field is controlled by which three variables? So for this ninth question the correct answer is aperture. focal length, and camera to subject distance. If you are very much familiar with the photography, each and everything, you can give the answers very easily without seeing my answers also. Okay, so now coming to the 10th question, for a full frame 35 mm based camera system, which lens give you the perspective most like what your eye sees? For the 10th question, the correct answer is 50 mm. Now next, now what are the three most common professional camera formats? For the 11th question, the correct answer is 35 mm, medium format, large format. Now click on to the next. Now to walk around looking for a candidate subject to shoot refers to. So for the 12th question, the correct answer is framing, and click on to the next button. Now what is the effect of this low angle shot? So you have to identify the shot. Okay. Okay, question number 13. So for the question number 13, correct answer is it create shadow under his eyebrows and make him look sinister. Click on to the next. Now coming to the 14th question, if you want to compress the perspective of the subject and background in your photograph, uh, you will like you will most likely. So for the 14th question, the correct answer is shoot within a 20 okay 200 mm lens. Now coming to the 15th question, Dash is a photographer who is widely known for their B and W portraits against a wide background shot in the soft west in the 70s and 80s. Okay, this is the old question. Now coming to the 15th question, the correct answer is Richards Avener. Now the three main metering modes available on a most modern day DSLRs are. 16th क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर यहाँ पर होने वाला है स्पॉट सेंटर वेटेड वैल्यूट्यूड. Now coming to the 17th question, a dash is something that can be placed between the sun and the subject to diffuse the light. Now for the 17th question, the correct answer is screen. This long shot is also a low angled shot. 18th question, correct answer is true. Click on to the next. Now, what is the most foundational rules of composition? For 19th question, the correct answer is rule of thirds. Now, coming to the 20th question, the depth of field refers to the distance in front and behind the subject in a photograph. For this, the correct answer is true. And now, coming to the next question, 21st question, a aerial shot has the effect of, and you just have to identify this shot name. Now for the I think the question number okay 21. Now 21 question number is making the subject seems strange or relative small in the environment. 22 question, photo composition refers to the arrangement of elements in a photograph. Now for these 22 questions, correct answer is uh, true. Now coming to the next question, 23rd question. Okay, the measurements of how long a camera lens stays open. So we should measure the camera lens capacity in terms of aperture. Now coming to the 24th question, in aperture priority mode, you set dash and the camera sets the, and for this the aperture shutter speed. Now click on to the next. In a theory, a camera that has shooting modes like portrait, landscape, nights, sports, macro, the dash and dash modes should result in the exact same camera settings. Sports, portraits. Click on to the next. As you can see, I have reached 88% of 100. Click on to the print your certificate. Okay, you just have to be patient to view this certificate. Now you can see, as you can see, the some well done and certificate of achievement. This is certificate is proudly presented to Sagar Singh. The candidate is deemed to possess the basic technical knowledge and awareness in the field of professional digital photography. And you can see the certificate ID. You can copy this and verify it. And now click onto the verify, and you can verify your certificate from this. Now this is how, friends, you can take the certificate of the photography. That's it in this video. We will meet in another video, so please keep your support, guys.